Hello everyone, Dr. Talha here. Many people are asking me about the expenses and fee structure of the MRCS A exam. So I'm making this video to help those colleagues and juniors. In this video, I will tell you about the exam fee of MRCS A, how to pay the fee, EMRCS subscription fee, taxes and how you can avoid those taxes. How you can pay the fee if your country does not support PayPal. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. First of all, let me clarify one thing. No one, I repeat, no one can tell you the exact amount or fee of any foreign exam in a currency that varies on a day-to-day basis. For example, if you reside in India, you need to convert the amount that you need to pay in pounds to Indian rupee, as in case of MRCS, and the total amount will be different on different days. Now coming back to the topic, nowadays exam fee for MRCS Part A is about £607, as you can see on your screen. EMRCS, which by the way was the online pool that I used and cracked my exam in first attempt held in May 24, will cost you about £45 for 6-month subscription. Let's suppose you purchase a subscription for 6 months in £45. Adding this to your exam fee, it would become about £652. This is the total amount that you will need to pay in pounds to book your exam and get an online question bank. You can convert this amount in whatever currency you want just by googling it. I will show you how much it will cost in PKR today. So it is about 2,38,000 Pakistani rupees. You can do the same to calculate and get a rough estimate in your currency. And it is important to note that this amount varies depending on the value of your currency. So for my Pakistani colleagues, you should keep about 2.5 lakh in your mind. Now let's discuss how are you going to pay this amount. The best way is to pay it via PayPal, as no extra money will be needed, no hidden charges or taxes. But what if your country does not support PayPal? Then you are stuck and you need to pay this amount via credit or debit card, which means you will have to pay taxes along with your exam fee as well. I myself paid more than 25,000 Pakistani rupees tax as I paid my exam fee via HBL debit card. And if you live in Pakistan, I would suggest you to not pay the exam fee via HBL, as their tax percentage is very high. You can choose any other bank depending on the percentage of the tax you need to pay. If you want to avoid these extra charges in the form of taxes, you need to ask someone from your family or friend residing in UK or any other foreign country that supports PayPal. You need to ask them to pay your fee, and you can pay them the exact amount of exam fee. So this was all about the expenses of MRCS A. This does not include any travel expenses. So if you have to give your exam in some other country or in a different city, then your expenses will definitely go up. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions regarding MRCS exam, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.